The only mammal capable of flight is the bat. The fingerprints of a koala bear are almost identical to human fingerprints. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. A rhino's horn is made up of hair. A cow gives nearly 200,000 glasses of milk in a lifetime. The most common species of bird in the world is the chicken. Giraffes have no vocal cords. Animals with smaller bodies and faster metabolism see the world in slow motion. Reindeer eyeballs are blue during winter to help them see in low light. In summer, they are golden. They are the only animal who could apparently do this. Sharks kill about 10 people a year. In comparison, we kill about 100 million sharks a year. In reality, they should be more afraid of us than we're of them. If you have any other interesting facts, just mention it in the comments.